Good morning, students. Yesterday we have finished angle sum property. Today let us continue with two special triangles. What are the two special triangles? Equilateral and isosceles. I have already told you when we are doing lines and angles we have equilateral, isosceles and scalene triangle. But these two special triangles are equilateral and isosceles triangle. The sides and angles of some special triangles have some distinct properties. What are those special triangles? It is equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Now let us see what is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is a triangle whose three sides are equal to one another. In equilateral triangle, what do we see? Three sides also will be equal. See, I have given you here one triangle RST. I have taken sides 3 centimeters, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So, we are telling that all the three sides are equal. So, here how many are there? Three angles are there. RS is one side, that is equal to ST, that is equal to TR. So, all the three sides are equal. In an equilateral triangle, the three angles are also equal. What are the three angles there? Angle R, angle S, angle T. I have taken 60 degree. So, here angle RST is equal to angle STR, that is equal to angle TRS. Because all the three sides and all the three angles are equal to one another. So, this is equilateral triangle. Now, let us see what is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two out of three sides are equal to one another. In equilateral, we see all the three sides are equal. But here in isosceles triangle, we see two sides are equal and one is not equal. Here I have given you one triangle, you see LMN. Two sides are equal, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. Other side you see it is only 4 centimeters. Now therefore can we tell that angle M is equal to angle N. You see there only 3 and 3 centimeters, but whereas other side it is only 4. Now in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. See, I have taken two sides 45 degree and one side 90 degree. Here what is happening? Angles opposite to equal sides are only equal. Other one is not equal. So, angle LMN is equal to angle LNM. So, this is isosceles triangle. Only two sides will be equal. One side will not be equal. So, that is special triangles. Now, students, I request you to open your textbooks. On page 123, here they have given, try this they have given. Yesterday we have already seen in angle sum property, finding the value of x and y. But here, equilateral and isosceles triangle I have already told you now. Now this find angle x in each figure. See, they have given, try this. You can do it as a homework, students, because it is easy. They have given one angle 40 degree. With the help of the other one, you can just do. Yesterday, I have already told you in angle sum property. You have done also homework. Try this. You can do it as a homework. If you did not understand, you can just clarify with me. It is easy. You can do it as a homework. First one and second one also. You see here. Find angles x and y in each figure. This also is similar to yesterday's what we have done angle sum properties. Accordingly, you can just go through it. This is equilateral and isosceles triangles. So, you can do it as a homework. Now, let us continue with sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. So, now, actually what do you mean by this? Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Now, here you see, the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. What does this property tells? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle will be always greater than the length of a third side. So, in other words, the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always smaller than the length of the third side. Here, first one what it is telling, sum means addition. When we add, the two sides of triangle will be always greater than the third side. Second one what is that? Difference means what? Subtraction. When we subtract the lengths of any two sides of a triangle, it should be less than the third side. So here you see, three line segments whose lengths do not satisfy this property cannot form a triangle. According to this property, what it is telling, when three line segments whose lengths do not satisfy, what this property means, sum of lengths of any two sides of a triangle always greater than the length of the third side. Next one, difference between lengths of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. Now, if it does not satisfy this property, we cannot form a triangle. See, now I have given you here one example. By seeing this example, you will be able to understand the sum of lengths of two sides of triangle. Now, I have taken here one triangle, L, M, N. Children, you have to draw with the help of a scale. L, M, N. I have taken 7 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Now here, sum of the lengths of two sides means what we have learned? Two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Here you see, LM. LM means how much here? Here, LM. L to M how much it is? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters plus MN how much? 4 centimeter. That is equal to 5 plus 4 how much? 9 centimeters. 9 centimeter is greater than N and L how much it is? 7 centimeters. So this is NL is 7 centimeters. So 9 is greater than 7 centimeters. So this is satisfied according to our property. Now next one you see, MN how much? 4 plus NL how much? 7. That is equal to 4 plus 7 how much? 11 centimeters is greater than LM. LM means how much? 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. So 11 is greater than 5 centimeters. So next one, this also is satisfied. So now you see here, NL how much? 7 centimeter plus LM how much? 5 centimeter. That is equal to 7 plus 5 how much? 12 centimeters is greater than MN how much? 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters. So 12 is greater than 4. So this is satisfied. This property is satisfied. So we have got sum of the lengths of two sides of triangle. So we can form a triangle. So now next one what? Difference between lengths of two sides. Now we have found sum of lengths of two sides, but now we have to see difference between lengths of two sides, whether it will be satisfied or not. So you take same L, M, N. So LM how much? 5 centimeter minus MN how much? 4 centimeter. That is equal to 1 centimeter. 1 is less than NL how much? 7 centimeters. So 1 is less than 7. So this is satisfied. Now you take NL how much? 7 centimeter minus LM how much? MN how much? 4 centimeter. That is equal to 3 centimeter. This is less than LM how much? 5 centimeter. 3 is less than 5. So it is satisfied. Next one you see NL. NL how much? 7 centimeter minus LM how much? 5 centimeter. So 7 minus 5 how much? 2 centimeters. That is less than MN. MN means how much? 4. So 2 is less than 4. So this also is satisfied. So for both also we have taken angle. Which triangle we have taken? LMN. Triangle LMN satisfies the sum of lengths of sides of property. So this is the sum of lengths of two sides of a triangle. This is the property. If it satisfies this both only, we will be able to draw. We will be able to form a triangle. If this both does not satisfy, we cannot form a triangle. So this is the property of the sum of lengths of two sides of a triangle. Students, now I request you to open your textbooks. Here you see they have given sum of the lengths of two sides of triangle. You can just go through it. Now here you come to page 125. Here they have given third one. Draw any three triangles. Say angle ABC, angle PQR, angle XYZ in your notebook. Here already they have given you ABC, PQR, XYZ. Here use your ruler to find the lengths of their sides and then tabulate your results as follows. Now, as I have shown you in the example, you can take these three triangles. Already these three triangles are there. You measure it from A to B how much, B to C how much, C to A how much. Then same thing, P to Q, Q to R, R to P, X to Y, Y to Z, Z to X. You take the measurements of each side, then you write that one with how much measurement, how many centimeters. You just write down three sides. Then here according to angle ABC, lengths of the sides, A to B how much centimeters you are taking in the scale, with the help of the scale you write here. BC how much, CA how much. So as I have shown you in the example, first you find out the difference between these two. AB minus BC is less than CA. We have already done in example problem. So whether it will be satisfied or not. If it is correct, you tell yes. If it is not correct, no. So you can find out. Then here difference, below that it is also sum of the lengths. Sum of the lengths should be greater than third side. Difference should be less than the third side. So this one you can do it as a homework. So with this we have completed sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Here they have given you examples also, just you go through it. Is there a triangle whose side have lengths 10.2 cm, 5.8 cm and 4.5 cm? See, now they are asking, they have given three triangles 10.2, 5.8, 4.5. Now here answer also they have given. Suppose such a triangle is possible. First you have to find out sum of the lengths of any two sides should be greater than the length of the third side. Either it can be difference can be there, sum of the lengths. Either any one should also satisfy this property. So now first one you take 10.2, 5.8, 4.5. You can draw a triangle and you can just see it. Now here 4.5 plus 5.8 they have taken. Then 4.5 plus 5.8 how much? Here 10.3. 10.3 is greater than 10.2. So it satisfies the property. Then next you see here 5.8 and 10.2 they have added. It is greater than 4.5. 10.2 plus 4.5. It is greater than 5.8. So this is satisfies the sum of lengths of any two sides is greater than the length of the third side. So therefore the triangle is possible. So that is the answer. Now fourth one you see. The length of two sides of a triangle are 6 cm and 8 cm. Between which two numbers can length of the third side fall? Now they are asking the length of two sides are given. But third side where it will fall they are asking. So now solution also they have given, you see. We know that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third. Therefore third side has to be less than the sum of two sides. Yes. So the third side is thus less than. Then third side means what? Then you have to add. It is a sum. So 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 centimeter. Next one, what difference? The side cannot be less than the difference of the two sides. Thus the third side has to be more than 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 centimeters. This is difference. So the length of the third side could be any length greater than 2 and less than 14 centimeters. This is the answer. If you didn't understand, you can just clarify, students. Here nothing. We have told difference and sum. Sum means what? It is addition. Difference means subtraction. So the sum means what? Sum of the two sides should be greater than the third side. Greater than the third side means we have to add here. Difference of the two sides means what? Less than the third side. So it should be minus. So when we minus, we have got. This is the problem. With this we complete that this sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. So in the next class we can see exercise 6.4. Thank you, students.